So, what if you could hire a copywriter today? One that never takes a day off, works in every language, and writes a dozen drafts in minutes. You already can. It's called AI. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use AI as your personal copywriter, writing emails, ads, and social posts that sound human and not robotic. Now, what we're first going to do is we are going to type, write an email about my. So, right away, you could see, you know, it's not exactly telling me what it's going to do because we need to be more specific. Now, when you're prompting with AI, you need to give it direction. You need to be specific, or else you're not going to get what you want, or you're going to get something like this. So, now what we're going to do is here is a better prompt. So, act as prompted this, and let's see what it does. There we go. What a polished draft. It's way better, it's specific, it's focused, and ready to send. And the only secret is how you ask. All right, so now here is the formula I use every time when I use AI for copywriting. It's called, it's going to called rule, context, goal, and style. All right, so let's test this. Okay, so we're gonna prompt in act as a social. All right, so let's look at the role, context, goal, and style in this. Okay, so context, target college student, write 3 Instagram captions. The role is you're acting as a social media copywriter. The goal is to build hype, and the style is fun and energetic. All right, so now let's test this. Let's see what our AI is saying. So beats are pretty good. Now, let's just say, lace up, hit play, your new favorite running shoe just dropped. Who needs coffee? Run with us and feel the rush. Cool, but you know, we could add something that can make it even more punchier. So now let's do make them punchier and add a call to action like shop now or try them today. There. There you go. New running show equals instant energy. Try it today and feel the hype. I would go and buy it. All right, now let's use some quick copywriting tricks. Okay. Now AI isn't just for first drafts. It's a copywriting lab. So let's watch this. Okay. So we're gonna ask it to give me five alternative headlines for a blog about healthy breakfast. So there we go. Look, 10 quick and healthy breakfast to power your day. Fuel your morning, easy recipes for a healthier start. Now, one thing I will say is you never want to ask it to just give you one headline and another headline and another headline. Because especially if you're in the free plan and you're not able to invest in a premium plan for ChatGPT, you want to hit as many options as possible. But you need to make sure you're prompting it right. Now, let's go back to our punchier CTA driven captions right here. And I'm going to copy the captions. I'm going to paste it here. And now I'm going to say rewrite this ad in a more casual, funny. So now we have 3 more options. And it says new running show equals free energy boost, no coffee needed. Try it today, thank us later. 2 says snooze button, never heard of her. Hit play and join the run crew. Shop now. College runs just got an upgrade. Don't be the last to know. Stream it today. So every option, something gets progressively better. It might get progressively worse at some point, but right now it's getting progressively better. Now, you might want to look at these ChatGPT suggestions. ChatGPT suggestions are always beneficial. And now let's now I'm going to say turn this Instagram caption into a LinkedIn post for professionals. And basically, now you're able to see, one idea instantly can become multiple different formats and styles. So that's it. Now you know how to avoid vague prompts, use the formula role plus context plus goal plus style, generate multiple variations, tones, and formats instantly. Now, since this is a course, I am going to give you some good assignments that can really help you. And so, homework for this would be pick one product or idea and make AI write it into a social post, an email, and an ad for it. Then tweak them until they sound just right. Okay. That's how you turn AI into your copywriter. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.